Cooking gets a lot more fun when the right gadgets are doing the hard work for you. Today, I'm showing you 20 of the newest Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2026 that are built to save time, reduce mess, and make everyday cooking feel easier. These aren't random flashy tools, they're practical upgrades you'll actually use in a real kitchen. From smart prep helpers to appliances that speed up meals, every gadget on this list is designed to make cooking smoother and less stressful. So let's jump in. One thing most people ignore in the kitchen is hand safety. These cut-resistant gloves give you solid protection while working with sharp knives or mandolins without killing precision. They're lightweight, breathable, and comfortable for long prep sessions and give you full control. Plus, they're washable, so upkeep is easy. Not flashy, but a smart, professional upgrade for any modern kitchen. Next, doing dishes after cooking is easily the most annoying part of the kitchen. This Countertop dishwasher fixes that without taking over your space. It sits right on your counter, doesn't need permanent plumbing, and still handles a full load of plates, cups, and utensils with multiple wash modes. The built-in water tank makes it perfect for apartments or small kitchens, and the cleaning performance is way better than you'd expect for its size. You load it, tap a button, and walk away. For anyone who cooks regularly but hates cleanup, this is a serious quality of life upgrade. Next, electric grinder set. Seasoning usually sounds like a small thing, but when you're in the middle of cooking, it can slow you down more than you expect. This electric grinder just makes it easier. You press a button, and it grinds right away, no twisting or extra effort. You can also change how fine or coarse you want it, depending on what you're making. It's rechargeable, holds a decent amount, and you don't have to keep refilling it all the time. Next, this one's for anyone who loves to cook ahead, keep food fresh, and cut down on waste. This Chef Preserve vacuum sealer is a simple but powerful kitchen tool. Instead of using regular plastic wrap or bags that let air sneak in, this system seals food tightly so it stays fresher much longer. Meat, veggies, soups, leftovers. The real benefit comes when you think about meal prep or buying in bulk. You can portion out servings, remove air with a quick press, and seal it so your food holds flavor and texture far better than ordinary storage. It's not a gadget that looks flashy on the counter, but if you cook regularly and want to save time, money, and food, this is the smart addition, one you'll use again and again. Number 5 is one of those kitchen gadgets that actually changes how you cook day to day. The Ninja Air Fryer. It lets you get that crispy, fried texture without dealing with a ton of oil or mess. Toss in fries, chicken, or veggies, and everything cooks evenly and fast, which is perfect when you just want a solid meal without babysitting the stove. The basket is roomy enough for real portions. And the added functions, like roasting and dehydrating, mean it's not just a single-use appliance. It's the kind of tool that naturally becomes part of your routine. Once you've lived with it for a bit, you start to appreciate how much simpler everyday cooking feels. Number 6. This Hamilton Beach electric food chopper is one of those tools that quietly speeds up your kitchen prep. If you cook regularly, you know how much time chopping vegetables, onions, garlic, or herbs can take, and how easily it can turn into a messy task. With this chopper, you just add your ingredients, press the button, and it does the heavy lifting for you. The blade design gives you consistent results without needing knife skills, and cleanup is pretty simple too. Just rinse the bowl and blade. It's compact enough to sit on your counter without feeling cluttered, but powerful enough to handle everyday tasks you'd normally spend time on. Whether you're prepping for a stir-fry, salsa, or meal prepping for the week, this gadget makes the process a lot smoother. This tool is not flashy, but practical. Number 7. A kitchen staple that's often overlooked, but once you have it, you really notice the difference. This bamboo cutting board set comes with 3 sizes that work for everything from daily chopping to bigger meal prep. Bamboo is naturally durable and less prone to deep knife marks, which keeps the surface cleaner and easier to maintain over time. What stands out here is the non-slip design and thoughtful size variety, so you're not using the same board for every task. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and feels a bit more elevated than flimsy plastics, especially when you're prepping multiple ingredients. In a kitchen full of gadgets, good tools like this make the basics feel solid. Number 8 is pure convenience. This countertop ice maker gives you fresh ice in about 6 minutes. No trays, no waiting, no hassle. It's compact, easy to use, and even self-cleanse, so it fits right into daily life. Perfect for cold drinks, quick hosting, or just everyday use. If you like having ice ready whenever you want, this is the kind of convenience gadget that quietly becomes part of your daily routine. Number 9 is one of those small kitchen upgrades you don't think much about until breakfast gets annoying. Standard toasters struggle with thicker bread or bagels, and you end up flipping slices or dealing with uneven toast. This long slot toaster just removes that hassle. Bigger slots mean everything fits properly and browns evenly. You can adjust how light or crispy you want your toast, and there's a quick reheat and defrost option when you're working with frozen bread. Cleanup's easy. It fits into a normal routine, and it's the kind of appliance you end up using without even thinking about it. Simple tool, smoother mornings. Number 10, hand blender. If you've ever tried to make soup, smoothies, or sauces and ended up transferring everything to a bulky blender, you know it's messy and slow. This immersion hand blender changes that. Just stick it right into the pot, bowl, or cup and blend. The attachments give you flexibility, from pureeing soups to whipping cream or making smoothies and emulsifying dressings. Cleanup is super easy because most parts detach and rinse off in seconds. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and ready whenever you need quick blending without dragging out a big appliance. Next, electric kettle. Boiling water on the stove takes time and attention. This electric kettle brings water to a boil in just a few minutes with its 1,200-watt fast heating system, and it has 7 adjustable temperature settings so you can heat water exactly the way you want it, whether you're making coffee, green tea, or instant oats. It also keeps water warm for up to a few hours, which means you can fill it once in the morning and have hot water ready throughout the day. The auto shut-off and boil-dry protection gives you peace of mind, so you don't have to watch it the whole time. Number 12 is a small gadget that keeps your drink warm while you work. We've all had this happen. You pour coffee or tea, step away for a minute, and come back to a cold drink. This mug warmer fixes that. You place your mug on top, and it keeps your drink at a steady temperature. You can also adjust the heat depending on your mood. It's best for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, especially during long mornings or work sessions. It's very simple to use and doesn't take much space. It's quietly making your daily routine more comfortable. Number 13 is a super useful gadget for your kitchen or home. This bottom-loading water cooler holds big water bottles without you having to lift them up high. You just slide the bottle into the bottom compartment, and the dispenser does the rest. It gives you hot water, cold water, and room temperature water right from the top. So whether you want cold water to drink, warm water for tea, or just regular water for any use, it's ready in seconds. There's a child safety lock on the hot water so kids don't accidentally burn themselves, and it even tells you when the bottle is getting low, so you know when to swap it out. Next, it's a simple but really useful kitchen tool, especially if you keep eggs at home. Most people just toss eggs in the fridge or on the counter, and they roll around, crack, or take up space. This wooden egg holder gives you a neat place to store up to 24 eggs so they stay safe and organized. It has 2 stackable tiers, so you can separate bigger eggs from smaller ones. The wood design also makes your counter look nice and neat, instead of having loose eggs everywhere. There's no fancy tech here, just a practical way to keep a big batch of eggs right where you need them and easy to grab when you cook or bake. Number 15, coffee maker. This kitchen tool is perfect for anyone who loves quick, easy coffee without the fuss. If you've ever stood in front of a big coffee machine trying to measure grounds, filter paper, and time it right, you know it can slow down your morning. This Keurig coffee maker skips all that. Just pop in a K-cup pod, push a button, and fresh coffee pours out in minutes. It's fast, simple, and gives you a consistent cup every time, whether you like bold roast, mild flavor, or flavored coffee. There's no grinding or measuring, and cleanup is just tossing the used pod. It doesn't take much counter space, and it makes busy mornings feel easy. Number 16. This kitchen tool that really speeds up your prep work. You know, chopping vegetables by hand takes time, and how it can get messy. Onions, peppers, carrots, it adds up. This Muller veggie chopper makes it way easier. You put the veggies inside, press the lid, and boom, perfectly chopped pieces in seconds. It comes with different blades so you can chop, slice, or dice depending on what you're making. And because everything stays inside the container, your counter doesn't get all over the place. Cleanup is simple, too. Most parts just rinse off fast. It's not a big machine, but for anyone who cooks often, this little gadget saves a lot of time and makes meal prep less of a chore. Number 17 is a fun and useful gadget, especially when you want cold treats at home. If you've ever bought shaved ice or snow cones out of the freezer aisle, you know they don't always taste fresh. This electric shaved ice machine lets you make real fluffy ice at home in minutes. Just add the ice cubes, turn it on, and the sharp blades shave the ice into a soft, snow-like texture. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and makes things like snow cones, slushies, or smoothies way more fun, especially on hot days or for parties. It's not a must-have kitchen tool, but if you like cold desserts or want something everyone in the house will enjoy, this gadget turns ordinary ice into tasty treats without any fuss. Next, vegetable cleaner. If you've ever washed lettuce or greens and ended up with soggy leaves or water everywhere, you know the struggle. This salad spinner lets you wash and dry greens in one go. Just put your lettuce inside, add some water, spin it a few times, and the leaves come out dry and ready to eat. Dry greens mean your dressing sticks better, your salad tastes fresher, and your salads don't get watery. The handle is easy to turn, and the bowl catches all the extra water so your counter stays clean. It's simple, but if you eat salads or cook with greens often, this gadget saves time and makes your meals taste better without extra hassle. Next, this kitchen gadget makes cooking rice and other foods easier. Cooking rice on the stovetop can be a hassle, too much water or not enough, and you end up with mushy or burnt rice. This aroma rice cooker takes the guesswork out. Just add rice and water, push a button, and it cooks perfectly every time. It also has a steaming tray, so you can steam veggies, chicken, or dumplings while the rice cooks below. That means fewer pots, less mess, and a faster meal overall. Cleanup is simple, and the non-stick pot makes sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It's not a fancy gadget, but if you eat rice or want an easy way to steam food, this makes cooking everyday meals simpler and more dependable. And the last one is a big, all-in-one kitchen tool that takes cooking to a whole new level, especially if you like simple meals without a lot of hassle. Instead of having separate appliances for air frying, baking, roasting, or making rotisserie chicken, this combo does all of that in one machine. It has 24 preset cooking modes, so you just choose what you want to cook and the oven adjusts settings automatically. The large 26-quart capacity means you can fit a full meal inside, like a pizza or a 6-pound chicken. The French door design makes it easier to open and check food without losing heat. It also comes with accessories like an air fryer basket, rotisserie spit, baking rack, and drip tray, so you have everything you need right away. It's not a tiny gadget, but for families or anyone who cooks lots of different things, this one machine replaces many and makes dinner prep faster and more fun. Alright, that's the list. Hopefully you found at least 1 or 2 gadgets that made you think that would actually make my kitchen life easier. Because at the end of the day, cooking shouldn't feel like extra work. The right tools just make everything smoother, faster, and honestly, a little more fun. If you enjoyed this list or discovered something useful, stick around. I've got more practical finds coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.